Hi guys, my name is Chetna and this is my very first YouTube video. On this channel I'm going to post some book reviews and recommendations, so if you love reading make sure you subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about three books which are my all-time favorite books, and it was really difficult to choose just three amongst of all the books that I love. And yeah, these are not according to specific genre or anything, but the amount of impact it had on me as a reader. Yeah, so let's get started with the video. Book number three is the Dan Brown's Da Vinci Code. This is a murder mystery thriller, and a book which is like watching a full pack Hollywood movie. This has such an amazing events which takes place in this book, and you are just left there with your mind blown. And Dan Brown's writing style is so intriguing that you just cannot put this book down. I remember when I was reading, I was done halfway with the book and I just completed this book within a night, because this was so amazing. I left everything and I was just reading this book. And there is also a movie based on this book which I am looking forward to watch it, but the book was simply amazing. The plot of the story is that our protagonist called Robert Langdon, he is a professor. He gets involved into a murder which happens in a Paris museum. There is one more character which is I just find her character very interesting. She is Sophie. She is a cryptologist, and she along with Robert, they together solve various riddles and clues and to find the murderer. But eventually there are so many revelations which happens in this book which are quite controversial, but I found them very interesting. And yeah, you just have to read this book once. I'm thinking of rereading it one more time because I just found this very good. Book number two is The Secret of Nagas by Amish Tripathi. This is the second book of the Shiva trilogy, and I enjoyed all the three books, but this one is my absolute favorite. Because in the first book there are certain threads which are created, and you are left curious and you need to find the answers for those. And in this book there are major revelations which happens, and at certain point you get goosebumps. And this reading this book was quite an experience for me. And I remember in various events those were very emotional. I just cried my heart out, and this book has a special place in my heart. The plot of the story is it is a story about Shiva, which is our god, but 4,000 years ago he was just a man. In ancient time, he this story is about his self discovery, and all the major events which I have grown up listening to, those are portrayed in very realistic manner, that even I doubt, yeah, maybe this could have happened. And besides Shiva, there are also various interesting characters in this book, and especially in this book there are two of my favorite characters, which I won't obviously take their name because that will be a big spoiler. But yeah, this trilogy is quite amazing. I really enjoyed it, and this is my favorite book. And finally, coming to book number one, that is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. This is under self help genre, and this book has my heart because I read it at a very correct phase of my life when things were getting slow paced and there was lack of enthusiasm, purpose, aim. And this book really brought me to think about my goals and my ambitions. And I'm really grateful to this book because it also gotten me into reading regularly and develop various habits. The plot of the story is about an old man who is a lawyer, and he is very successful in his career, but he's alone, he's not happy anymore. And one event happens in which he gets a heart attack in a courtroom, after which he decides to live his life, and he sells everything, even his Ferrari, of course, and he goes to Himalayas, wherein he finds community of monk. They teach him various principles, and after several years, and he gets transformed into completely different person. After several years, he comes back to his hometown to meet his friend, who is actually a narrator of our story, and he teaches him all the principles, and those principles are so easy to follow and very helpful, and I suggest that you also follow them. It will be quite helpful, and yeah, there are many takeaways from this story, and which we can implement them in our life. And yeah, I just love this book. I actually read it twice, and I can read it many more times. uh, yes, I just don't have I cannot find any words to describe the beauty of this book. But yeah, so that's it for today's video, I guess. These were my all favorite three books. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below which are your favorite books. I would love to hear them. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.